नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू जीईपीएल सीजन 1 अनप्लग्ड। मैं हूं रोशन शेट्टी और दोस्तों पहले दो एपिसोड्स में हमने टोटल 28 मैच के हाइलाइट्स देखे और अब हम लीग के बीचों बीच पहुंच गए हैं। यहां मिलेगा बहुत सारा क्रिकेट का जुनून, खिलाड़ियों का अनुशासन, थोड़ा थोड़ा अफसोस, थोड़ा प्यार और कई सारे इमोशंस। लेकिन वो सब देखने से पहले एक बार जल्दी से पॉइंट्स टेबल पर नजर डाल लेते हैं, क्योंकि यहां से टीम्स के बीच कंपटीशन और भी तीव्र होने वाला है।
थर्ड कंसेक्यूटिव विन फॉर लंदन राइनोज। एकदम से फॉर्च्यून्स उन्होंने चेंज कर लिए हैं। दे वर 2 points, they were on 2 points 2 days ago and now they are top of the table. What a comeback. And yesterday I was talking to a few players from London Rhinos and that's what they said कि अगर हम मुंबई को हरा देंगे तो हम टेबल टॉपर्स बन जाएंगे. Way to go guys. I mean the way they played, beat Mumbai and now sitting top of the table. That's confidence for you. But also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams on 8 points. And then the next game, Chennai versus Delhi. Chennai have an opportunity to get onto 8 points as well. This has been absolutely phenomenal 2 days at the GEPL.
तो पॉइंट्स टेबल का हाल तो आपने देख ही लिया है। शुरू करने से पहले मैं आप सबको थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूँ जीपीएल सीजन 1 के बारे में। जिनको ऑलरेडी पता है उनको तो पता ही है, बट जो हमारे साथ नए जुड़ रहे हैं उनके लिए, ये लीग लास्ट ईयर शुरू हुई थी विद अ मैसिव पूल प्राइस ऑफ 2.51 करोड़ रुपीस, जहां 2 लाख से ज्यादा रजिस्ट्रेशन हुई थी और उनमें से टॉप 100 प्लेयर्स सिलेक्ट हुए थे मल्टीपल क्वालिफायर राउंड्स खेल के, जहां से टॉप 100 प्लेयर्स में से टॉप 48 प्लेयर्स को फाइनल लीग में जगह मिली थी और ड्राफ्ट के थ्रू ये 48 प्लेयर्स 8 टीमों में बढ़ गए, जहां इन 8 टीमों ने ताबड़तोड़ मुकाबला किया प्लेऑफ्स तक पहुंचने के लिए। चलिए बिना वक्त जाहिर किए देखते हैं जीपीएल सीजन 1 अनप्लग्ड, अ रीरन ऑफ सीजन 1। शुरू करने से पहले एक क्यूआर कोड आपके स्क्रीन पे आएगा, इसे स्कैन करो और रियल क्रिकेट 24 डाउनलोड करो। आप बन सकते हो जीपीएल के अगले सुपरस्टार।
Chennai have that advantage coming into this game against the likes of Delhi Sharks, who are at the bottom. Delhi have won the toss and chose to bat. There was a loud applause out here for actually breaking that monotony.
You know, 6th day of the competition, Roshan. This is the 29th match and only the 3rd time a team has decided to bat first. And I'm not surprised Delhi have done that. This is the team that has scored 70 twice. Good decision, perhaps.
Wickets. And I think that's the reason they did not want to give that brute away. But this time, it beats the 30 yards, goes directly down the mid-wicket.
They need to continue to keep up this pressure to justify the fact that they're going to be batting first.
Oh, what? Again, a missed time. And right now, Biswas, he needs to make up that heavy lifting. And you can see, his intentions are clear. Lofted shots coming through, but even this score.
And now, impress us with the bowling in this one. Why does I say that? No, again, a well-placed shot here by Biswas.
Connection in terms of the position. Can he find a lot more? Yes, he seems like the fielder is running, but he'll not be there enough to reach and stop the boundary.
Oh, yeah, and oh, that is high up in the air. Will the fielder get there in time? No, he will not. They're going to try and really test here.
Oh, no.
The batsmen on the Delhi Sharks, and well, they failed that test. Ashiest, but man, they add up.
A nice sidestep, gets the hit. Fielder is going to just sit and watch. Hits the stands. A big 6 coming through. Stop. Coming in from Biswas, but Jayesh back on strike. Hits the right strike. Fielder is going to be there, but not too close to stop it. And एक बेहतरीन चौका लगाते हुए.
Out of it, no. They bring themselves back in, and now it's time to smash the ball. Time and time again. Another boundary going away with Delhi Sharks.
But यहाँ पे दिल्ली शार्क्स सोच के एक रिवर्स मार के यहाँ पे दिखा के एक बेहतरीन 6 वो भी. What a hit coming in. Biswas looks to me like the ABD right now, playing shots in every direction so far. Looking for another one, another big hit. Fielder is there, but no,
he
catches it. A Superman coming through from his end.
I think that's the philosophy. Hey, you can't afford to risk a radical batsman. Might as well throw a balanced guy in there and just tell him, hey, to smash every ball just the way Manoj has smashed this one, straight to the boundary.
It has gotten to 10. Do we see another one? Gets the hit. It beats everybody in 30 yards. And a nice shot played at point. They're a fine mix. अगर वो अपने बैट्समैन जो ब्रूट है उसके साथ मिले तो ऐसे ही बाउंड्रीज, ऐसे ही पार्टनरशिप्स बिल्ड होंगे. Again showing us a brilliant partnership like we witnessed today, going in for another 4. Again, तो उनके साथ कहीं ना कहीं synergy build करना पड़ता. A crucial wicket lost. Does he miss again? No. This time they don't.
They can do a ton of work. Manoj on striking end, smashes this one.
No,
oh,
no.
but again, straight into the arms
off the square leg fielder. Done maiden with 3 wickets as well. So he's going to be a crucial one-runner यहाँ पे मौका हो सकता था, but right next to the fielder 30 यार्ड को पार करते हुए.
Delhi Sharks only that dropped the catch earlier. Even the first over. Oh,
This
this one
time-
should be cocked though.
This was gifted.
Slightly positioned towards fine leg, so can be a little difficult to. There goes Jules, and that's a run out. That's a run out. That was a bit too risky attempted here, and the umpire raises his finger up. Delhi Sharks claim the win here against the Chennai Wolves. Nothing that the Wolves could have done, especially not after losing their batsmen that early. They had a hot target to chase for the day, and the Delhi Sharks, for the first time in history, will choose to bat and defend their score.
Of course, Bishwas, who has a personal milestone as well, 173 leading that chart for the runs, but most important, 39 for today, which really got them going forward.
He absolutely has the highest six hitting percentage in the tournament for a batsman. 2 sixes again. Look at that strike rate, 260. Just kept doing what he's been doing throughout the tournament. Man of the match performance from him.
Sydney Panthers come back, of course, after that victory against Mumbai. A massive 5-wicket victory against Mumbai. And they're playing, of course, the likes of the Dubai Vipers, who did have a game early today, but come losing against the Chennai side. The news from the centre being that Dubai have won the toss and chose to bowl. An absolute no-brainer. There have just been one team who have taken that risk, but the others still not willing to take.
It is the 27th time in 30 matches in 6 days that a side has won the toss and chosen to bowl first.
In that opening as a wicket, good length, घुमाया गया, जाएगा सीधा तेजी से बाउंड्री के तरफ, and that's going to be a brilliant four to start things off.
And Saurabh usually is a very balanced batsman, even though the category वो नहीं है.
No, the first wicket.
Consequences to it.
But runs. Finally, जैसे runs का नाम लिया यहाँ पे, घुमा के मार दिया, सीधा deep point पे. A big six coming through. एक बेहतरीन छक्का लगाते हुए प्रद्युम्न. And you can see it is going to be a full length ball coming through. इसका भी लगेगा,
No
but तैयार
way!
थे. Paces आते हुए नजर आएंगे, but can it could be a big victory. Straight के तरफ जी हाँ मारेंगे, a nice shot.
Vamsi can be damn difficult to predict.
दोनों radical players अभी के लिए जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, fielding setup खुल चुका है, जिसके वजह से मौका मिला gap के through.
This team to victory, and Manish has to bring that performance yet again, but he gets sent packing in the first ball itself. One more player very close to the offside, and this is exactly why. Oh no, they have to continue running, or maybe go for a cancel. Potential
Very
for a run out.
close. Bounce का warning, but umpire क्या wicket देंगे?
The other umpire will.
Yes, he does. Raises his hand and signals a out. Maybe even 2 at max. But players are very restrictive and conservative as well as very cautious. Abhi very cautiously खेला.
Too late. I guess we'll find out after this one. This too goes in the air, but there's always somebody to catch it. They have to make
Oh,
that
no.
second run. Even if it's an out, it was worth the risk. They had nothing to lose at this point, and it will most likely be an out.
Yes, it was clearly an out. करके नहीं दिखाना. They're trying to play it as safe and as easy as possible. But इस बार मौका मिला. Roy will send it off to the boundaries.
सर्कल, लेकिन towards leg side जो बाकी दो फील्डर्स है outside the 30 yard circle, वो दोनों को बाउंड्री के क्लोज रखा गया है, and even after all those adjustments, even after all that effort, they cannot stop the 4, or rather it was a 6.
Right now 3 runs per ball. Oh no, this can be a big one. There have been a chances of an LBW, a risky one, however, but इस बार miss नहीं करेंगे. Similar position, but fielder तैनात. He
so
couldn't
close.
go and become a Superman over there. Superhero नहीं बन पाए तो superhero बनाएंगे. Roy with another 6. The
Whoever,
difference is
right?
just 5. But riders now, as we say, Saurabh immediately ends up eating a 4 runs. At just 7 deliveries, अभी घुमा के पीछे की तरफ मारा है. Fielder देखते रह जाएंगे and दर्शक जोर से ताली बजाएंगे.
The Dubai Vipers will rejoice their victory, will find their own glory, and end up once again acquiring 2 points, which should propel them quite high up in the overall leaderboards.
It is, of course, your man of the match then, Mukesh. That smile, well, I think he just has that constant smile always. Just a way of saying, look, कुछ भी हो जाए दुनिया में हमारा स्माइल तो बरकरार रहेगा.
Bilkul, and they're very cool customers, very calm customers. He's the captain as well, chief wicket taker. one of the leading run scorers. They have two brilliant all-rounders, Mukesh and Manish. If Manish doesn't win you the match, Mukesh will.
The table toppers, Dubai Vipers, taking on Sydney Panthers, who have had a mixed run so far. It's Sydney who win the toss, and again, there is no brainer out there. They chose to bowl.
Though no doubt at all that they would choose to bowl, but Sydney have to be careful. They have to target the two most important batsmen, Mukesh and Manish.
That streak over here, or if this time around Dubai Vipers are going to start off strong with their batting, seems like they are.
It's the Claws versus Fangs, and the Fangs dig deep for a boundary on the very first ball. It's a rate of 15 to 16. Do reasonably well after their first innings.
Ooh. Oh, and it's caught. This is what we were talking about, Cripps. You have to be a little bit careful here.
Have a chance of going all the way across the boundary, especially when they're on Yorker length, but it can also
Beautiful.
be a catch. Luckily, this one isn't. But Manish yet to make any solid marks.
Oh, wow, that's a beautiful shot coming through. I'm not too sure if that was intentional. It did look like it chipped the bat.
Give them some breathing room, but they need a lot more
again.
of
What a beautiful shot coming through, Cripps. The fielder on the outside had no chance to get to that one. They will indeed touch 60. An econ rating of 11, and considering that it's always in the power play overs, it's really good. Second ball itself, Dubai Vipers, they find a wicket. All will be well for the Sydney Panthers. That remains to be seen. Not a 6, but definitely a 4 in the Sydney Panthers, finally.
You want them to adapt the tendencies and the mannerisms of Mumbai Sharks simply so that they can get to this.
My God. Okay, well.
Amazing stuff by Vijay.
Yep. But again, I mean, Chetan was one of their balanced batsmen, so they haven't really lost all that much. But 4 balls done here in the second over, and again, a great shot towards.
With triple digits runs.
Yeah. And even though that might have been a factor of the Sydney Panthers losing, they certainly want.
But speaking of wickets, here comes the leading wicket taker of this
Oh
team.
my God! Prophesized! Oh, and that's a beautiful shot, but will it be caught? No, it will not. It's over the fielder's head, straight towards the boundary.
Has one of the most expensive econs in the entire team, 13.29.
wow. I believe that one might be off the boundary. Nothing to stop that, Cripps.
That is ready to explode at any given moment. And even Vamsi himself is an explosive bowler. Taking the stump off, the bails go flying, and the pressure is on. Swings, hits, it's in the air, it's either a wicket or it's a 4. And even with this boundary, the drums of joy will beat for the Dubai Vipers.
And well, the Sydney Panthers are going to be kicking themselves after that one, after what went down in the first over. That is not the way they planned this one. There was no reason why they had to be that aggressive, but the Dubai Vipers, again, catching every team off guard here. Just when you think you're in the clear, they strike a wicket here, a couple of dot balls there, and that's all that's needed.
Manish is that man to look out for. 27 runs. I think it's just becoming a routine by the standards that they've set.
For me, he is the player of the tournament. But now Mukesh is also really coming up, picking up wickets, getting those runs. If you get these two all-rounders, you will get past Dubai. But इतना अच्छा खेल रहे हैं वो कि इतनी ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस है कि दूसरी टीम बिल्कुल भी उनके पार नहीं जा पा रही है. And that's the reason why Dubai are on a roll.
The London Rhinos are coming up against the Mumbai Grizzlies. Remember, yesterday it was the London Rhinos who went forward with Mumbai Grizzlies, won that game. Now it's a chance for Mumbai Grizzlies to get some, get some crucial points. London have won the toss like last time and again chosen to bowl.
Yeah, Mumbai have batted in their last 2 matches first, and it's been an underwhelming performance. Hopefully they can change that thing around. Otherwise, yeah, another hat-trick of losses. I don't know. I mean, it's a great toss to win for London, that's for sure.
Individual ranking है वो उस हिसाब से खेल नहीं रहे हैं. Their performance in qualifiers versus here has been drastically different. But the moment I say that, Sajanpreet proves me wrong and he hits a massive boundary. Striking end.
Yes.
It's Sajanpreet. जो usually second या फिर third आते हैं, आज open कर रहे हैं टीम के लिए.
Oh no! What a wicket! एक बेहतरीन विकेट यहाँ पे निकालते हुए सज्जन और विकेट नहीं गवा सकते पावर प्ले में.
Exactly. Not just power play, they can't afford to lose another wicket. Finally, Papu Kumar shows us what he's made of. थोड़ी देर के लिए मार पीट के चले जाते हैं. Davinder, on the other hand,
Oh wow, that's a nice change, a switcheroo, and sends it back to a chauka. Short delivery, इसको भी मारा है. It can pass the fielder, it does. Back-to-back fours coming through. Not able to do much, already lost 11 runs. Can he lose another? Looks like it, but fielder bhag rahe. It's in air, drives for a catch.
Wow.
And that's Papu Kumar sent back. And जी हाँ, मजा तो आएगा क्योंकि मुंबई ग्रिजलीज might be on track. Goes for a lofted shot, and that too for a straight one. Drives it across. There's no stopping it. बेहतरीन चौका मारते हुए दविंदर. उनको हटा दिया गया. Everybody is back down at straight, long on, long off, and इसका फायदा उठाया. तुरंत मारा.
down one of the highest scores in the entire league.
Oh, this was the one he was waiting for. Sukhpreet and Shiva मिलके ये trap बनाए थे.
करेंगे mostly game उनके हाथों में ही है अभी.
Oh wow! Again made use of the same short third man absence. Third man में भी नहीं थे and finds a four. Once or twice risks were taken. अभी के लिए एक scoop and it easily goes. Fine leg, finds the opening.
किया लेकिन बॉल काफी स्लो था. 82 का स्पीड था. That could have been a wide ball, लेकिन उन्होंने शॉट फिर भी अटेम्प्ट किया and he gets punished for it.
वो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा जो मंजिल है दूर नजर आ रहा है. Short delivery this time, fielder ready, but it surpasses over his head and crosses. There's no way he can stop it.
और now London Rhinos जिस तरह से ऑफ स्पिन के साथ डील कर रहे हैं, it should be good, but this one's in the
no.
air and it's in the arms as well.
I think line पे आएगा. ये I would want to see what happens, but
No way!
Abhishek!
No way!
A duckout coming through. Grounded shots, whereas London did not do that, and right now their batting order has crumbled. दोबारा shot लगाएंगे in the air, fielder ready for it. That's another wicket. The players तैनात straight and long on long off के बीच में. He'll play it
Nice.
immediately to the deep point, a deep
Wow.
back square leg, and it goes through. Scored. तो
Yeah.
Davinder जब आए, even though the early loss of wicket
Oh my
happened,
God.
it was okay. But यहाँ पे मौका मिल चुका है, fielder तैयार, and he gets it, a Superman all out coming through.
Sheesh! And that wicket, it was something straight out of Lagan, man. It's
Yes.
almost like the fielder almost stepped out of the boundary to get that catch. And just on the edge of that boundary, he catches it in his arms.
Yeah,
Something,
he
yeah.
pushes it up again and gets back into the inside the boundary lines and gets it, making sure that it doesn't go out.
Sheesh, man, that is something straight out of Lagan. A Bollywood finish to end this match, and the Mumbai Grizzlies win yet another one.
Davinder, 23 runs for him. Didn't pick a wicket again. His bowling form has gone down a bit, but that's a captain's performance. And he was there till the end, talking to his players, egging them on. मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ बढ़ावा दे रहे थे. He knew what he was doing today, and you know you need that kind of leader, that kind of captain, and Mumbai had that today.
Kolkata are ready to take on New York Capes. Remember, before this, Amchi Mumbai got that incredible win and getting their stories back on track. But New York winning the toss and choosing to bowl. But beautiful moments there, of course. You did see the parents being, so proud of the performance by Saurabh. And not just Saurabh, but of course all the other players as well.
Yeah, and a proud moment for Saurabh on his birthday to get those wishes, and the fact that his parents are watching him play on this platform that the GEPL has provided.
Keeping it tight, making sure that it doesn't loosen up and give away runs. But abhi ek behtering airtime. Can the fielder stop it? No. And that's the first six coming in from the side of Kolkata.
Momentum कहीं ना कहीं खो गया, तो देखते हैं वो गिरा हुआ momentum वापस पिकअप हो सकता है कि नहीं.
Nice shot. जाएगा सीधा चौके की तरफ. One bounced across the boundary and Sujit already. History जरूर बनेगा इसके साथ, but यहाँ से कहा जाएगा, I think it's going to be unimaginable. जिस हिसाब से जिसे सुजीत मार रहे बाउंड्रीज, फाइंडिंग द गैप्स, ही हिट्स वन मोर.
टाइमिंग बिल्कुल एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाए. 145 के स्पीड पे आ रहा था वो बॉल.
ओह नो, इस बार उन्हें सोचा एक ऐसे शॉट मिल सकता है. पिछली बार वो डॉट हुआ, इस बार सोचा कनेक्शन मिल सकता है. बट व्हाट अ प्ले फ्रॉम नेताजी, सीधा विकेट.
Sachin usually comes and starts smacking left, right, center, and even Krunal is looking to do the same. But it's a dangerous wicket. He tosses it across. What a catch! If
सब
he
बोल
pulls
रहा
this
है
off.
आ सकता है, आ चुका है क्या? जी हाँ, a hat-trick coming through. नेताजी, what a show! आए and लगातार विकेट, and देखिए सबको दिखा रहे कमाल. What a hat-trick to pull off here in GPL. पहला वो भी 2 ही रन दिए ओवर में. आखिरी डिलीवरी, again it's an edge, but thankfully in between the gaps of the fielder at the back point तो सीधा डीप जाएगा, चौका लगेगा to end the over.
Who has written down history over here? Another one in the air. Potential for another wicket. No, it's safe.
JD right now, short delivery, घुमा के लगाया है, but it's not going to work. JD gets another wicket, down to their last and only wicket. They can play a lot more on.
Self-awareness is key, but also self-confidence to toss it in the air. And unfortunately, that self-confidence results in death.
Total बनाते हुए. Can he
Amazing.
surpass and become the biggest so far? but यहाँ पे gap निकालते हुए सीधा कमल मारेंगे and will get a 4 for his team.
Okay, but they need to start recovering now. And maybe that recovery has Kamal written all over it. Kamal, कमाल करते हुए एक और boundary. Slow run up.
Short pitch घुमाया है यहाँ पे, फील्डर देखते रह जाएंगे, पास नहीं आ पाएंगे एंड खत्म करेंगे कमाल.
These extras will really come to haunt you later on. This time it's a nice swing, great connection onto the bat, and it's a boundary.
13 makes an equalizer happen. घुमाएंगे but again towards a little bit further. Back point पे जाएगा, double but run out का नजदीक, बहुत नजदीक है. I think umpire इस run out से खुश रहेंगे. जी हाँ, he signals it. Cause a lot of trouble. ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Short delivery घुमा के लगाया but fielder भाग रहे 30 यार्ड से and जीतू को भी भगा दिया है.
In today, they win by 3 runs.
And देखिए जो खुशी है यहाँ पे Hawks का. They are also such a good team here in GPL. And दर्शक भी देखिए, उनके support staff भी देखिए, सब बहुत खुश है इस जीत से.
He got the runs when it was needed the most.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, without those runs, they would not have come close to 64. That was the difference between the two sides. Runs on the board. You can take as many wickets as you want. If you have runs on the board, you will be able to defend them, and that was the case for Kolkata today.
आपकी इस अद्भुत पारी को देखकर नहीं होता है विश्वास. आखिर किस मिट्टी के बने हो आप? विश्वास, विश्वास, विश्वास. दिल्ली शार्क्स के विश्वास का ब्रिलियंट नॉक हिटिंग 39 रन्स इन जस्ट 15 बॉल्स. ये अकेला वॉरियर अपनी टीम को 65 रन के टोटल तक ले गया और मुलान का वो धमाकेदार स्पेल वेरी बैक 2 विकेट्स फॉर जस्ट 12 रन्स सील द विन फॉर दिल्ली शार्क्स. फिर आया दुबई वाइपर्स का थ्रिलर. वामसी ने डिफेंड किए 14 रन इन द लास्ट ओवर और इस रोमांचक मुकाबले को सिर्फ 1 रन से जीतकर विपक्ष के मुंह से जीत को छीन लिया. और हार कर जीतने वाले को तो आपको पता ही है क्या कहते हैं. और फिर उसके बाद आया एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण, जीईपीएल का पहला हैट्रिक. जी हाँ, मैच 33 में नेताजी ने 3 विकेट लेकर सिर्फ 6 रन दिए और मैच को पूरी तरह पलट दिया. जीपीएल में ये मोमेंट एक माइलस्टोन बन गया. तो ये तो बस शुरुआत थी दोस्तों, आगे और भी मजेदार मोमेंट्स आने वाले हैं. स्टे ट्यून, हम वापस आते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद.
Global eCricket Premier League took the world of esports by storm. GPL is based on the world's biggest eCricket game, Real Cricket. GPL Season 1 set the bar. Loved by gamers. With GPL Season 2, gear up for a never-before esports revolution.
वेलकम बैक. जीपीएल सीजन 1 अनप्लग में आपका फिर एक बार स्वागत है. अब तक खिलाड़ियों के बीच अच्छा तालमेल बन गया है, रणनीति के साथ साथ यादगार लम्हे भी बन रहे हैं और यहाँ हम उन्हीं लम्हों को याद कर रहे हैं. तो अब आगे चलकर देखते हैं अगली कुछ धमाकेदार मैचेस की हाइलाइट्स.
Sydney Panthers, after their loss against Dubai, are coming back against a strong Mumbai side who have finally found that victory. Sydney have won. The question is, can they win the second game, Chetan?
Well, Mumbai batted first in their first game. London won the toss and asked them to bat first and ended up losing the game. So I thought maybe Sydney would want to do something different here. But in 30 matches out of 33, teams winning the toss have bowled first. So here we are.
Not really scored out of the park as much. He's bowled well. So, I mean, clearly things changing up here for the Grizzlies. Well, right off the bat, Sajjanpreet is going to start things off here with a 4.
So Sajjan's dismissal, then PK coming through, then Davinder had to lift off. But right now, PK has lifted off, but the player is going to be there right to his hands. And a golden duck.
Because hitting sixes in power play, I mean, I've seen it go both ways. Oh, that's straight towards the middle stop. And somehow the ball has found the wicket. Abhishek was there just for one ball. And again, we're starting to see some more standard fielding positions. That is a good shot though, and I think it's going to reach the boundary.
It's gone.
Throw a different type of ball. That remains to be seen, but another boundary coming through here. बल्लेबाजी यहाँ पे दविंदर की तरफ से और सजनप्रीत भी कोशिश करेंगे लेकिन कैच मिलेगा यहाँ पे सिडनी पैंथर्स को.
3 defending games and teams have won it.
Yeah, and the highest and the lowest defending games were both played by the Delhi Sharks. Oh, and the trap was set. Heartbreaking moment here for the Grizzlies. They could have gotten more boundaries here.
That's a big shout. Umpire's good with it. He signals another wicket. And that's out nil. But Pradyumna faced his first ball, did not find it. Within second,
Wow.
he does find it. Doesn't go directly for a 6, but one bounce and reaches the boundary and a nice 4.
Kind of, well, opinions.
Oh, nice shot in the gap. Goes across. On the other end, he's just looking forward to being the highest scorer, but makes the mistake. Does he? Yes, he does. And the wicket gone before he becomes the highest scorer. Something can. Last delivery coming in here for the over. Akshu, nice hit across the 30 yards. The fielder was there.
Find those twos. If the window is able to get a few dots in, then it could be really
Oh,
hard.
no.
That might just go straight into the fielder's hands. It does.
One is the game. If there isn't, it's going to be another double.
Oh,
Swinging
it's a
it
beautiful
right,
shot.
it might find the 4. Equalizing the score here. One more run to win.
They did win the game earlier today. But
Wow.
they will be able to find the one, and that's going to be the win coming through here for the Sydney Panthers. In fact, going for a double, running salt into the wounds of the Grizzlies. And the Grizzlies have been gut-napping in their games. The Panthers will take the win.
They beat Mumbai Grizzlies for the second time.
अक्षु इन्होंने ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मेंस की. कप्तान साहब जो ही लुक्स अप टू दविंदर एंड दविंदर हैज सेड कि नहीं भैया हम तो जो है मैदान पे हम तो प्लेयर्स हैं हम फ्रेंड्स नहीं हैं एंड ही हैज डन दैट. सिडनी हैव बीटन मुंबई ट्वाइस एंड इन बोथ मैचेस अक्षु हैज प्लेड द मेजर रोल.
The Delhi Sharks taking on the Kolkata Hawks. Remember, both come back after victories. Last time, of course, it was a good toss for Kolkata to lose because eventually they won the game. Here, the story is different. They won the toss and chose to bowl again.
कुछ मैटर नहीं करते हैं. उनकी आंखों में सिर्फ एक विकेट है और एक गेंद है, और वो गेंद इस बार बाउंड्री के दूसरी तरफ जा चुकी है. सबसे शानदार गेंदबाज है, लेकिन उनकी इकॉन रेटिंग भी थोड़ी सी हाई है.
Close one here, fielder. He jumps for it, but he misses the
beautiful.
opportunity. Stops the 6. And that's what they have to be happy of. Virdaji needs the wicket. Does he reach it? A shorter delivery this time, however.
It's
Not
a four.
much pace because of which the fielder nowhere close gets to the boundary. That a lot. He's been losing his wicket by no reactions. But this time, bends down, hits a brilliant cut. And it sends all the way like a speedy rocket to the boundary for a chauka. Because they'll be getting 12 points for themselves. They've already gotten a victory. And as soon as they say that, seems like Kolkata, they don't. It is a big wicket.
If we are to believe the history of this league so far, but no,
It's another.
This is not what they wanted. Weber finding another, or rather, excuse me, Sachin finding another wicket.
Number of 4, 6. Number of 6 is 4. And right now starts off with the fielder going to be there. He jumps for it. And that's only going to be a block, not a wicket.
Bowler को read करने में.
Close one. This is up in the air. Fielder running right below it. He gets it. But Delhi वहाँ पे जीती भी है. ये जरूर हमने ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. But a big boundary. Can it be? No fielder running. He dives for it. Gets that wicket. Getting hit and you're unable to score runs.
Yeah.
Last 2 deliveries, एक
No
में मौका
way.
मारा, but an all out. Every player in the last few overs, 3, 4 and 5, all wicket takers.
If they can make the most out of this innings, because they certainly couldn't win the last one. And oh boy.
ऐसे गलती नहीं कर सकते, चूक नहीं सकते. दोबारा फ्रंट आए, इस बार घुमाया,
Oh, wow.
लगाया and भगाया.
बहुत ही शानदार गेंदबाजी यहाँ पे दिल्ली शार्क्स की तरफ से.
आखिरी बॉल इस 4th ओवर का कनेक्शन मिला, goes to the straight and the boundary is found right on the line. A big 6.
के गेंद की तरफ क्या ये चौका होगा? फील्डर रोकेंगे.
Doesn't
एकदम
matter,
पे.
it's gone.
Oh no, it's all over.
It's all over.
It is all over. I think the Kolkata Hawks, I think they've done it.
They've done it.
They've
They
done it.
have.
It's a win. Oh, he was down to the wire. Down to the very last hour. The Sharks, a commendable effort coming through, but ultimately the Hawks persevere.
Man of the match, Sujit, 19 runs, 2 wickets, all-round performance. Hallmark of what Kolkata have done, not only in this game, but also in the previous game. 2 matches, 2 wins, 12 points on the board.
दोस्तों मैं मानता हूं हार तब हो जाता है जब मान लिया जाता है, पर जीत तब प्राप्त होता है जब ठान लिया जाता है। अक्षु ने अपने ऑलराउंड स्किल से सभी को हिला दिया। लास्ट ओवर में 2 विकेट्स लिए और सिर्फ 4 रन दिए, और बैटिंग में भी 13 गेंदों में 28 रन बनाकर मुंबई ग्रिजलीज को जड़ से हिलाकर रख दिया। जी हाँ, और ये मैच तो शानदार बॉलिंग एफर्ट और टीम वर्क का नमूना था। सचिन ने अपने ओवर में 2 विकेट्स लेकर सिर्फ 4 रन दिए, और सुजीत ने भी 2 विकेट्स लेकर सिर्फ 3 रन दिए, और इन्हीं के कारण टेबल में उनको और 2 पॉइंट्स मिल गए। बंधु, यही है कमाल जीपीएल का। तो दोस्तों ये थे कुछ और परफॉर्मेंसेस, लेकिन अभी भी और एक्शन बाकी है, पर उससे पहले लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक।
Global E-Cricket Premier League took the world of esports by storm. GPL is based on the world's biggest e-cricket game, Real Cricket. GPL Season 1 set the bar. Loved by gamers. With GPL Season 2, gear up for a never-before esports revolution.
दोस्तों आपकी दिलों की धड़कन अब तेज होगी, क्योंकि आगे के मैचेस में और भी चौके छक्कों का धमाका होने वाला है, और शॉट्स के गति के साथ साथ मैचेस की इंटेंसिटी भी बढ़ना शुरू होगी। लेकिन शुरू करने से पहले एक स्पेशल शाउट आउट टू ऑल आवर अमेजिंग स्पॉन्सर्स, जिनके बिना ये सब मुमकिन नहीं होता। सबसे पहले जेट सिंथेसिस ग्रुप, जिनकी वजह से जीपीएल हुई और जो सीजन 1 के टाइटल स्पॉन्सर भी रहे हैं, और हमारे धाकड़ स्पॉन्सर्स लेंसकार्ट, स्टाइलिश पल्सर NS 125, फिनोलेक्स पाइप्स, फ्लिपकार्ट, जेब्रॉनिक्स, ऑरिस, ध्रुव ग्लोबल स्कूल, डेल, गीगाबाइट, अल्ट्रा गियर और ऑक्सीरिज, और हमारे स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनर्स रियल क्रिकेट, जो गेम आप खेलते आ रहे हो, स्काई ई स्पोर्ट्स, ग्लोबल म्यूजिक जंक्शन, स्ट्रीमिंग पार्टनर जियो सिनेमा, और ब्रॉडकास्ट पार्टनर स्पोर्ट्स 18। आप सबका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। चलिए हाइलाइट्स देखते हैं आगे के मैचेस के, where we saw some historic knocks and some commendable bowling spells.
The last time these two sides met, they scored 140 runs in 10 overs. Yes, I'm talking about London Rhinos and Delhi Sharks. Delhi Sharks winning the toss and opting to bowl first. Roshan, any surprises there?
Well, I think they could get a surprise. I'm thinking that they can have a good opening partnership, which will help them to at least give a little scare to London, if not break the winning momentum.
सुखप्रीत जैसे प्लेयर हो, वो एक्चुअली उनका वैगन व्हील बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्स है। वो हमेशा एक ही जगह पे बॉल नहीं मारते बार बार। इस बार उन्होंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्टैंडर्ड वाला शॉट खेला है, फाइन लेग की तरफ भेजा बॉल को बाय गिविंग इट अ बैकवर्ड लॉक।
ओवर एंड तेजस इसमें स्ट्राइक पे आएंगे, कमाल करने का मौका मिला, फाइन लेग के थ्रू सीधा चौका। ओवर भी डॉट हुआ, इस बार भी स्टार्ट ऑफ द सेकंड पावर प्ले डॉट हुआ, बट अभी कैच का मौका, एज लगा, पिछले बार मौका ढूंढा फाइन लेग के तरफ, इस बार शॉट फाइन लेग पे ट्रैप था। और अब देखिए 21 fours coming through, एक और जोड़ दीजिए, 22nd four that he is hitting in his overall GPL journey.
अगर ये बॉल पर छक्का भी लग जाता है, I would still say it's a damn good over by Molan. And it is indeed, okay, it's a 4, but still. एरिया में भी आजकल बाउंड्री मारना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया है।
Nice one right now to थे ये वो है
नहीं
अरे
उतना
यार
फील भी
क्या
नहीं होना है
क्रिप्स,
मुझे। उतना फील भी फाइनल से
बट
पहले
यहाँ
नहीं।
पे फील लेंगे, that is going to be a big wicket। ये तो तैरना पड़ेगा, स्लो हो जाएगा इनका जो सफर है, एंड सफर और स्लो करने के लिए dead on the wicket।
Probably because उनके पूरे करियर के रन सिर्फ 14 है।
Oh wow, what a nice gap being found। शिवम बेहतरीन शॉट खेलते हुए,
करंट रन रेट जो है वो 10.85, इतना ज्यादा इंप्रेसिव नहीं है।
Oh,
and even though it was a short ball, it will
it's
go in the air।
close, it goes। आखिरी ओवर पे इन्होंने विकेट गंवाया है, मतलब आखिरी ओवर में और ज्यादा मुश्किल होने वाला है। हम जो मुश्किल के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, the defensive batsman will walk in।
Sagar has to prove himself yet again, but he gets smashed। That's what happens when Biswas is on strike।
निकल गया सीधा, he couldn't do anything about it, and दोबारा घुमा के मारेंगे, Biswas on a roll।
Off for a spin yet again, and it goes flying। And it's so far in the audience, and the fielder cannot do anything about it।
रहता है, अभी उनको भी खिलाड़ी बोल रहा हूं मैं कि वैसे ही बन रहे हैं कि वो फील्डर्स बन रहे हैं। Look at him
My
again,
God।
back to back, दोबारा चौका लगाते हुए।
In the tournament so far, the only person on his team who has a strike rate of more than 200, and he proves exactly why that number exists।
चेंज हुए बट डजंट मैटर अमित, इट डजंट सीम टू बी चेंजिंग. एक और यहाँ पे घुमा के मारे बट बॉलर या फील्डर आ
Finally.
जाएंगे. नाइस वन, टाइमिंग सही नहीं बैठा एंड यहाँ पे भगा देंगे इनको डगआउट में. एक आपने एक्स्ट्रा दे दिया है, मीनिंग यू मेड देयर लाइफ इवन मोर इजियर. दे जस्ट नीड 6 रन्स एंड घुमा के मारा है. ये विकेट आ सकता है. जी हाँ, इस बार चूकेंगे नहीं. मच नीडेड विकेट. एक और हुआ, 1 रन 2 रन ऐसे ही चल रहा है.
Moral
And
support
खत्म.
moral support is necessary, but more than that, you need the support from all your teammates. And today, Delhi Sharks showed up with all their might, all their glory. A well-deserved win after a very long time.
Biswas, he continues to impress with the bat. A strike rate of 313, 25 runs, 4 fours and a 6 in there. Not really surprising that he contributed with the bat.
The Mumbai Grizzlies are ready to take on the table toppers, Dubai Vipers. Dubai Vipers, of course, have that edge going into this game, isn't it? Dubai have won the toss and chose to bowl. I'm pretty sure they got the confidence yesterday after, batting first and eventually successfully defending it. Now it's game on for Dubai because they have won the toss and they're exactly dictating the other team.
Let's see if they can continue to bowl with the ferocity that they've been bowling with for the past couple of days, but things not really going to start all that well for them.
This one is going to be a very weird spin, which I don't think we could see coming, but he
Is
would
that a
still
six?
strike it nonetheless.
Oh yes, it is. Beautiful 6 coming here.
No, we cover drive ke hisab se. I thought it would impact the middle of the bat.
Wow.
But again, he just continues to pummel that ball back outside the boundary. आप देख सकते हैं already front foot loft खेलने का इरादा है ये वाले बॉल पे, and it goes between the fielders straight to the boundary once again. It's a powerful Pulsar NS 125 boundary.
See here at the tournament, finally coming to life here.
Wow!
Wow. Oh, and it went right over the fielder's head. As that's going to be his 6 here. And to the boundary it shall go. And nowhere else. Oh, but this time around it goes right into the inside fielder's hands. Straight towards the cover drive.
उनका स्ट्राइक रेट इतना ज़्यादा हाई है नहीं, लेकिन उनकी सर्वाइवेबिलिटी बहुत है, और जब तक वो सर्वाइव करेंगे ऐसे बाउंड्रीज मारते रहेंगे वो. And they want to topple the Kings.
Oh, that's what? How did that beat the fielder? Sachinpreet stepping up his batting game here today. And well, this time around he's going to find another 4 here.
Winder can start playing the risky shots towards the front side, towards the square back, and Sachinpreet finally goes down.
If Manish can continue this hot streak.
Nice shot.
Good shot. But again, going to be defended by the fielder. Only room for a 2. Oh, I believe that might have been an out.
That definitely is an out. There was way too much of a distance between the bat and the crease.
Those are where the Brute has the most opportunities, that in the final over, to really score those runs. This time around,
Hey, the fact that they survived their first over with no wickets lost itself is a big enough deal. But I might have spoken too soon. And he makes the catch. He is the hard hitter for his team. Manish shares similar stats, but I'm not sure if he can be the best of the boundary. But hey, if he keeps hitting shots like these, he definitely will be one of the best. Manish, on the other hand,
oh, that might be caught by the fielder. Yes, it is. Let's see what the Vipers can do. Oh, that might be caught by the fielder.
My
Yes,
God.
it is. That's why they had 4 towards the front. Win this game, but it's going to be difficult. Oh, this time around, that's a beautiful shot. Threading the needle, finding the gap, straight towards the boundary, and that's going to be a 6. Beautiful batting coming through here from the Vipers. Just when you start to count them out, they come right back in.
nails out. Another
wow.
successful shot.
Yeah.
It is between the needle, right? Right in between those fielders. They position on the top of the table, and it connects. They make a run for it. The Dubai Vipers have done it. 7th victory in the league, and he's literally lifting his teammates up in the air. Harbhajan riding the shoulders of his teammates, and his teammates riding the wave of their unstoppable win streak. Mumbai Grizzlies have been taken down.
Manish with that man of the match performance. If it's not Mukesh, it has to be Manish. If it's not Manish, it has to be Mukesh. But at the end of the day, 34 runs up. Again, 1-4, 1-6. I think what's more important is batting when the team needs most. Kolkata Hawks are ready to take on the Chennai Wolves out here. And like we did say, of course, in that last game that it is, again, Kolkata have that edge in this game. Chennai have a point to prove. Chennai have won the toss and chose to bowl. No risks at all. They're going with that. I mean, we've seen that time and again. If you want to just get points, just win the toss. And if you win the toss, choose bowling.
Things, but Well, it just results in a 2. This time around, though, it is going to be a boundary. In fact, it's going to be a 6 coming through here for the Kolkata Hawks. Hey, thankfully, these virtual characters, like Cripps has often pointed out, do not get hurt. But man, this certainly hurts the sentiments of the Chennai Rotas. That's going to be another boundary conceded here in the first power play overs.
Definitely. We are not even 1 over in and they've already lost a wicket. That too at a short-line ball. This might just be dangerous. But it clears the field. Neck, that could have been very risky.
Oh wow, beautiful shot coming through here from the Hawks, and again goes right over the inside fielders. Wicket ले पाएंगी कि नहीं? Oh, ये गेंद काफी ऊपर है हवा में, इनफैक्ट सीधा बाउंड्री के उस पार जाएगी और इसी के साथ एक छक्का यहाँ पे कोलकाता हॉक्स की बारे में सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन चेन्नई वाले वाले खुश नहीं है ज्यादा.
If I'm being animorphologically correct, but spare my terms over here. This might just be a wicket, and there's no sparing Anurag.
Straight towards the wicket, be aggressive, but looks like that is exactly what they will do, and in fact they will be able to find the wicket. There it is. Those 2 runs in the previous innings. He's also starting things off strong here for the Kolkata Hawks, but right as I say that, the Casters curse comes through.
You either have a fielder on cover or towards point. Oh, they go for a run nonetheless, and this is definitely an out. Miles away from the crease.
Yep, it is given. Oh yeah, oh okay, well, there it is, there is some respite. Anurag not afraid to be bowlers here for the Hawks. And oh, that might just go over the boundary, yes it will. And right as I was placing Mehta.
Talk about the galactic presence.
Oh, the fielder, is he good for this? No, he's not, it has found the boundary.
Let's see if Surjit can survive this spell. Last ball in the air, heading towards the boundary.
They're very, very happy just giving away 2s. Oh, that one has been smashed right across the boundary though.
And just play off of Sachin's momentum. These are speedy deliveries, man.
Oh, that is a beautiful shot as well. This does not look like this one's going to go all that well for them, although somehow they do find a boundary. The entire book, you don't even read the rest of the document. Oh, it's a good shot, but I believe it will go right into the field.
No!
And the Hawks air in the eyes of the Wolves.
I'm actually surprised that she is somehow not celebrating. I thought she would be celebrating already.
Hey, you should never celebrate early, team, excuse me. And well, the final ball of the over will be smashed. A 6 will be found, but it's not enough. Too little, too late. The car has already left the airport. And so have the Kolkata Hawks as they go soaring towards the top of the points table.
Well, getting that all-important victory, Chennai were very close. Take nothing away from them. They fought valiantly. It was a Herculean effort, but in the end, falling short of just a few runs. Man of the match, Sachin then, 30 runs, 250 strike rate. I think he deserves that. Sydney Panthers coming on against the Delhi Sharks. Remember, Sydney Panthers have come back after a loss and the Delhi Sharks have come after a win now. Sydney get to win that toss, but what didn't happen last time is getting a victory. Here they have a chance again, Chetan. Sydney winning the toss and choosing to bowl again.
But again, this is the Panthers, one of the stronger teams here in the league, but that doesn't stop them from starting things off with the boundary here.
And again starting things off strong. Finds another one, sends it across the boundary. Fielder might chase behind it. But right now, it's just going to be a chasing game for Panthers.
To even cross the double-digit mark in the first power play over, but things have taken a turn here, and they continue to do so as the Delhi Sharks again score a 4.
Can he find anything? A good line delivery, but smacks it. He smacks it right out of the boundary, length of the boundary, without stopping at all on the point. Scoops it this time, beats the fielder again. Biswas, the dangerous man, scores a brilliant 22 runs. But very good to see that change coming in.
But right as you say that, Sam, that's the Casters curse. They still just cannot find ways to care for their wickets, and oh well, that is actually going to cost them. Beautiful catch coming out here.
Biswas already feeling good on the pitch. A short delivery coming through, a big hit as the power play ends. His strikes on the boundary, dude. That's a big one.
Going to be running away with this one. And another high shot, again going to beat the fielder for a 4. Beautiful batting coming out here from the Delhi Sharks.
I'm keeping myself calm, irrespective of what happens, but right as now, I don't know. Finally, we see him breaking expression, because these boundaries, they're hitting him mentally.
whatsoever. This is some insane batting
Oh
coming through.
my God, another one!
Holy moly, 12 balls in. This man is about 45 runs.
35 runs and Biswas looking unstoppable. Finds another. He gets the half century here in
Holy
GPL.
moly.
The first ever half century on a first innings. Man, this guy, Biswas. Oh, 13 deliveries and 51 runs. Are you kidding me, man?
Who leads the team? Clearly not the Sharks. All they need is
Look
Biswas
at
on
him.
the field.
Oh,
Oh
no.
my God! He has smacked the ball straight to the boundary for every single ball in this over. 32 runs have already been found. Wickets have not been given away.
Oh, wow.
But that just might change. Oh, it does this time
Wow.
around. Who've been scraping at the bottom of the barrel.
Oh my God!
My goodness.
81 runs done. 5 more deliveries left. But is this the wicket? It
Oh,
is!
it is.
What
Oh
a
my
phenomenal
God.
innings coming in. A big bout out to you. 67 runs. 67 insane freaking runs.
Man, my voice just gives in.
I'm not going to say in this whole match, in this whole innings.
Oh man, and he continues the streak. Can they do it here? Oh, they're certainly trying, and I think that might have beaten the fielder. There it is. The most interesting single match we have seen in this entire season. And what a team to do it. Delhi Sharks certainly put on a show for us in the first innings. You know, be the party pooper here, but
Oh no.
this is not the rate at which the Sydney Panthers are going to win this game. And man, that's the only way you're going to win this game. I think that's spot on, Sam. And the Sydney Panthers, this is what they need more of. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good shot, but will it be found by the
Fielder's
fielder?
there. Everything is going out of hands for the Panthers.
Start smashing away at the ball. And well, looks like he will stop doing just that, as that's the first 6 here for the Sydney Panthers.
Akshu, his captain, he's gone. His teammate who came in, Azan, he's out. And now again tries, but looks like a wicket. And yes, it is. It's insane scoreline. We've never seen such a scoreline ever.
Okay, well, Saurabh, that's high up in the air. That's a 6 for the Panthers. And Jayesh again is going to make the most out of this. Oh, is he going to find another? Oh, he is. And their spirit,
Yes, you have to.
You have to respect the fact that they're still trying.
And look at this, even a 4 in the last delivery. That's them never giving up. Commend Sydney Panthers for this. That big score, even though it came through, they were still fighting for it.
What a mesmerizing inning it has been. Absolutely gobsmacked. Everybody out here is absolutely spellbound. No words. The reason why we stand here today out of our usual chairs is out of complete respect. Take a bow, young man. You have done incredible. Chetan, I think what an inning we have seen. Let's catch a breath first.
I have never seen anything like it. I mean, 13 balls, half century.
No doubt, 67. And look at the sixes down there, Chetan. Incredible, man.
6 sixes, 6 fours, 372 strike rate. We have not seen this before in the GEPL. 67 runs, man of the match, Biswas.
अरे क्या है ये विश्वास? जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट एपिसोड में कहा था दोस्तों, नाम याद रखना, विश्वास। विश्वास ने शुरुआत में ही बड़ा धमाका किया। पहले ओवर में ही 21 रन बटोरे, बाउंड्रीज की तो बरसाती हो रही थी। और विश्वास का फॉर्म तब पीक पर आया जब उन्होंने 18 गेंदों में 67 रन बटोरे। ये बन गया एक और ऐतिहासिक क्षण, क्योंकि ये बन गया जीपीएल सीजन 1 का सबसे हाईएस्ट स्कोर। इसलिए हम कहते हैं ना, यहाँ पे हीरोज आर इन द मेकिंग। तो दोस्तों, ये थे कुछ और मजेदार हाइलाइट्स, लेकिन अभी फाइनल मोमेंट्स बाकी है, सो डोंट गो एनीवेयर, वील बी राइट बैक विद मोर थ्रिलिंग एक्शन।
Global eCricket Premier League took the world of esports by storm. GPL is based on the world's biggest eCricket game, Real Cricket. GPL Season 1 set the bar. Loved by gamers. With GPL Season 2, gear up for a never-before esports revolution.
आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है और अब पहुंचे हैं आज के फाइनल हाइलाइट्स पे। इन मैचेस ने पूरे लीग को ही एक नई दिशा दी और टीम्स के प्लेऑफ में जगह बनाने के सपनों को हल्का हल्का सा उम्मीद देने का भी काम किया। तो चलिए देखते हैं आगे के कुछ और थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट्स।
It is the Dubai Vipers who have reached and sitting pretty on top of that table, and they are ready to take on the New York Apes. The New York Apes have won the toss and have chosen to bowl. Again, textbook style decisions. They want to go safe. They're not really wanting to take those high risks today. But Dubai Vipers, I tell you what, have been one team, irrespective of the toss, they've given 100% of their.
9 day of action. I'm not surprised that the first match we are seeing is you win the toss, bowl first. और आज इतना important day है सारी teams के लिए. I think we are going to see the same thing. I don't see any changes in strategy.
Have been found here by Ankit Roy. Things starting off rather strong here for the Vipers, but just as we tune in, well, there it is. We get 15, but is this going to get caught? No! Oh, there was a missed opportunity here for the Apes. If they found that second wicket, that would have been amazing, but a misbeat coming
No way.
through as
No
well.
way.
Oh, no, what on earth have we just witnessed? Oh, no, the Apes.
Yeah, a major lifeline.
Oh, that is a quick run, but no, I believe that's an out. And there it is. I think the green is punished as the umpire granted, though. That's the question. Well, it seems like he has granted it. The drums are banging. And there it is. Mukesh has already gotten up the captain.
You only score 3 more. That definitely seems underwhelming. Maybe I spoke a little too soon. They
Oh,
took
they
that
heard you.
personally. Need to get their radicals and their.
Oh, is that
other
going to be
players.
caught? Yes, it is. Oh, it chipped the bat. That is 6 balls remaining. Oh, that is smashed across, but it might be caught by the fielder. Yes, it is. Really not drop the ball if you've made a good play in the course of the game. Aye, right, as I say that. Oh, instead of finding the middle of the bat, Manish found the edge.
The things that make him a brute.
Yeah, Bells are still on the wicket. And well, finally Kamal is going to be able to find a 4. It's a pun. That was unintended.
We are getting away with way too much over here.
Yeah, I certainly am. Are the Apes though? Yes, they are. They're getting away with it. 6. The length of the ball was not good, so A was struck really well. And oh, it's going to be another boundary coming through here. Oh, wicket पहले जल्दी मिल गया. तो अब काफी प्रेशर क्रिएट करते हैं, लेकिन at the same time
Let's go.
pressure up maybe create हो सकता है, लेकिन उसी के साथ some redemption here for the Viper. Because again the target was not the highest. You really can't hold that against the Vipers. They tried towards the end to smash that ball, but sometimes the price to be paid. In fact,
Race the ball towards the boundary. We've seen plenty of that in the past, and this seems like yet another ball which is going the distance. Another powerful pulsar NS125 boundary. Taking capabilities of the Dubai Vipers. So far, at least they are.
oh my goodness! Oh, that's a powerful shot. I think that might have been the longest 6 you've seen here in this tournament.
Redirect towards the mid wicket, and he still makes it work. He's going for it again.
Wow! That is going to be the 4th boundary here of this over. The Drummer just cannot catch a break. I want to take it to the finals. Oh, and another one ball. My God, the New York Apes just cannot stop smashing the ball. Well, there's some optimism for the Sharks as well, because yesterday they put on a similar performance. And the New York Apes, they say, hey, well, they certainly seem to have borrowed inspiration from some of that.
Steep
And
landing.
that again is going to cross the boundary for a 6.
Neetaji, it doesn't matter whether it's JD. They just keep on going for these
Oh
boundaries.
my God, they just cannot be stopped.
1.5 overs in, and the match is almost done.
Oh my God, they are up on their feet. That is going to be the end of that. We did not even finish 3 overs. And the match is over. The New York Apes have taken it away. Stolen it right out of the park. And there is cause for celebration here for the Apes. The Vipers smiling sheepishly. They know that they've just been manhandled and that there's nothing they could have done about it. The Apes.
And there it is, Neta. I think I've really been impressed with the kind of performance which he's had, because, 5 players playing out there, you have to give an all-round performance, and this man has certainly done that. Runs on the board, wickets on the board, I think a complete all-round package.
दोस्तों ऐसी कोई मंजिल नहीं जहां पहुंचने का रास्ता ना हो, बस कुछ ऐसे ही मंजिल को पाने निकल पड़े हैं विश्वास। टीम को ट्रॉफी दिलाने की मंजिल, जीपीएल का सबसे उम्दा खिलाड़ी बनने की मंजिल। विश्वास की कंसिस्टेंसी के हम सब फैन हैं। इस मैच में भी उन्होंने हिस्ट्री क्रिएट की और उनके शानदार फॉर्म की बदौलत दिल्ली शार्क्स को सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस में ही नहीं पर पॉइंट्स टेबल में भी लिफ्ट कर दिया। विश्वास के धमाकेदार पारियां ही आज के सबसे बड़ी हाइलाइट्स थी। चलिए हम विश्वास के बारे में कुछ और जान लेते हैं, खुद उन्हीं की जुबानी।
Hello, me Somodipta Vishwas from Chandanagar, West Bengal. Now I'm a student तो मेरा अभी ग्रेजुएशन चल रहा है 23 के बीच तक। तो मैं RC20 ही खेला, तो जब GPL आया तो GPL के रजिस्ट्रेशन किया और RC22 तभी मैं खेलना स्टार्ट किया था। आफ्टर ड्राफ्ट मैं रिजर्व में गया था दिल्ली का, तो रविकांत बोल के एक प्लेयर था जो नहीं आए, उसके जगह मेरा चांस हुआ बाद में। फर्स्ट 2 मैच मेरा फॉर्म खराब किया तो ड्रॉप हो गया 0 पे। कल तीनों रिकॉर्ड हमारी टीम से ही बना। एक ओवर में सबसे हाईएस्ट रन 32 जो मैंने मारा था कल, और इंडिविजुअली हाईएस्ट स्कोर जो 67 है 18 बॉल पे, वो भी मेरा है। और टीम का हाईएस्ट स्कोर जो हम लोग का दिल्ली सेक्शन टीम 89 फॉर 3 5th ओवर में। तो मेरा अभी हाईएस्ट स्कोर में हाईएस्ट सिक्सेस में भी फर्स्ट है मेरा नेम, और हाईएस्ट स्कोर में भी मेरा फर्स्ट ही बैंड मिला कल मेरे को इधर तक आने के लिए मेरा घर वालों में बहुत सपोर्ट किया। और बाकी है टीममेट्स तो हर टाइम मेरे को मोटिवेट करता है। एज अ टीम मैनेजर राहुल बेड़ा भाई, वो हर टाइम हम लोग को मोटिवेट करता है। मेरे लिए मतलब बेस्ट टीम मैनेजर है। इस जगह पे आने के लिए मैं GPL मैनेजमेंट को थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ, और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहती हूँ GPL को और रियल क्रिकेट 22 को। আমাদের ম্যাচ প্রত্যেক দিন আপনারা দেখতে পাবেন রোজ 5টার সময় জিও সিনেমা और स्पोर्ट्स 18 चैनल।
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी रही है बिस्वास की। Initially not making it to the top roster of 48 players, but then coming in as a reserve player for Delhi Sharks, and when one of the main team members backed out of the tournament due to some personal reason, Biswas grabbed this opportunity with both hands and created history of all we want know about. इनके लिए मैं एक ही चीज कर सकता हूँ, All hail Lord Biswas। दोस्तों, ये था आज का धमाकेदार एपिसोड। आगे के और भी थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट्स, प्लेयर इंटरव्यूज और प्लेऑफ्स के लिए आप जरूर वापस आना, क्योंकि अब असली रेस शुरू होने वाली है। आई एम रोशन शेट्टी साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर नाउ। गुड नाइट।